So I'm going to start a new series of videos where I'm going to solve the problems of Project Euler. Let's see. Okay, so in today's session, we'll try to solve the problem number 1. Okay, so let's read the problem. So basically, what it's saying is there's a list of natural numbers, and we know that 3, 5, 6, and 9 are divisible by either 3 or 5. And sum of these numbers are 23. Find the sum of all multiples of 3 or 5 below 1000. That means we'll have to go up to 1000 and take all the numbers which are divisible by either 3 or 5 and sum them. Okay, so it looks pretty simple problem. Okay, so let me just create this as markdown. Okay, so let's try that. Let's say for I in range 10. Okay, we need to find out a sum. Let's say sum s is equal to 0, initialize to 0. Now if you're saying if I modulo division 3 equal to 0, or if I modulo division 5 equal to 0, then what do we want to do? We want to increase the sum. S plus is equal to I. Okay, now at the end let's print S. So it's 23. Okay, so it says 23. Okay, now we have to go until 1000. Okay, if we do that, now this is going to be the sum. Okay, let's see if that answer is correct. Yes, the answer is correct. However, it doesn't look very nice, so I'll just create a function here. I'll just say like def divide by 3, 5. Okay, I'll just take a number. Then what I'll do is create this, and then at the end I'll just return the sum. Yes. Okay, now what we can do is we want to say s is equal to, okay, let's just define this function here. Now if I just call this function div by 3, 5, if I call 10, okay, sorry, so this should be number here. Okay, if I call 10 now, you see it's 23. If I call with 1000, is this. So yeah, I think that's it for the problem number 1. Now coming up, problem number 2. Thanks for watching.